It happened. You guys helped me reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you so much. I am going to do a video more about that in the future, but today, in honor of hitting that 1,000 subscribers, I thought it'd be fun to kind of remake a video that I did on this channel previously. It was actually the very first video I ever put on YouTube. It talked about 5 household items you could sell on eBay. That video was a lot of fun to make, and I love hearing ways that you can turn trash into cash. And if you're looking for ways to make cash and you're new to eBay, I think these are good items to start with because they're low risk, they don't cost you any money. That's what I love about finding things around your house to sell is there's no inventory cost up front. You don't have to buy any goods, you already have them in your home, and it's usually stuff you're getting rid of anyway. So I think some of these items are going to kind of surprise you, and it's just a great way to start learning how eBay works, how shipping works, how listing works and taking pictures work. These are some items that you can find around your house. Usually you can find them in your trash can. Don't use the ones from your trash can, that's gross. So let's jump into the list of the 10 items you are probably going to throw out anyway, but you can turn that trash into cash. Item number 1, broken crayons. That's right, you can sell broken crayons by the pound on eBay. I will show some sold listings here as we go along, but 3 pounds of crayons have sold before for $15 with free shipping. You may be wondering why someone would want to buy broken crayons, but there are many different activities you can do by melting them down and other art projects, or you can still color with them even if they are broken. You can fit the crayons by the pound in a padded flat rate envelope for affordable and easy shipping. So if you have a junk drawer in your home filled with broken crayons, consider putting them up on eBay for sale and turning that trash into cash. Item number 2, empty egg cartons. Instead of placing your egg cartons in the garbage can, consider hanging on to them until you have a nice stack to sell on eBay. If you keep them clean, no broken egg shells or yolk on them, 15 egg cartons could sell for around $12. People find many different uses for empty egg cartons. You can use them for arts and crafts, you can plant seeds in them for your garden, or if you have chickens, you can use them to gather the eggs. I find that if you think of things that you can make crafts out of and gather them up in lots, they generally sell on eBay. Like this next item. Item number 3, used grocery bags. This was one of the first items I ever sold on eBay, and I talk about it in the first YouTube video I made. So if you haven't checked that out yet, I'll link it in the cards above and make sure you go check it out. People crochet with grocery bags. They cut the bags into strips and tie the strips together to make something called plarn or plastic yarn. People have asked me, why do people buy these bags on eBay? Why not just go to Walmart and pick them up for free? Well, there are several reasons. It takes a lot of plastic bags to make one small ball of plarn. The stores would not be happy if someone just ran in and grabbed all of their grocery bags. Those bags cost them money, and they are not free handouts. They are intended for their customers to put their groceries in. So if you are wanting to crochet with plarn, you need to gradually collect these bags after you have done your grocery shopping. Another reason for shopping for these bags on eBay is to find specific colors. Not all grocery bags are white. Some are blue, brown, yellow, or pink. When people are crocheting their projects, they may be after a color that is not offered at their local grocery store. And for this reason, it's been my experience that colored grocery bags sell the best on eBay. It also helps if the bags do not have any tears. So yep, used grocery bags. Sell them on eBay, it's a great way to recycle. Here's some more trash you can turn into cash. This happens to be item number 4, toilet paper rolls. The 2 things to remember are to keep them clean, and you need a lot of them. Again, people use these for crafts, but why not just use your own toilet paper rolls? Why buy them on eBay? I imagine it's for when you want to do craft projects with a large group of people, like a summer camp or family reunion, or even a classroom of students who are learning to make bird feeders or other projects like that. So if you stick with that theme of art projects and you go through your house, you will find many things to sell on eBay, like item number 5, plastic bottle lids or bottle caps. Again, colorful lids probably sell better. So if you have blue or red or green milk jug lids or orange lids from orange juice, Clean them off and lot them together to sell on eBay. These are nice too because they are lightweight, so shipping them should be easy. Something you can sell for crafts that is a little heavier is item number 6, your old jeans or just the jean pockets. Before you throw away your torn up jeans, cut the pockets off. Those pockets can be used in many sewing projects. The last 3 items I'm going to mention are not part of that arts and crafts theme, but they are trash or clutter in your house that is just sitting there and waiting to be turned into cash. Item number 7, broken cell phones. The price of these can depend on brands and how bad it is broken. Maybe your phone is not broken at all. You just upgraded it to a new phone, but you still have the old one kicking around the house. Or maybe it is broken, but it's just a cracked screen and still turns on. Or maybe it's really damaged and doesn't turn on, but you can still sell it for parts. You may have other broken electronics or appliances in your home like this that you can still sell for parts. Item number 8, shampoos, like the travel kind you get when you stay in a hotel. You know, like even though you have no reason to bring it home, you cannot resist taking all the shampoos and lotion bottles as well as those plastic cups out of the hotel room. When you get home from your vacation, you realize you prefer your own shower shampoo, so these bottles get stored and stacked up in some closet, but there are other people who travel all the time and love to buy these small bottles of shampoo. I also have heard of people using them as party favors or door prizes. So if you're not going to use it, you might as well sell it. Item number 9, box tops for education. With everything going digitally lately, I didn't know if these would still sell on eBay, but it looks like they do. Maybe you don't have anyone going to school, so you don't have a reason to cut out box tops, but they are still in your house. They are lightweight, so if you are wanting to experiment with selling on eBay and you're looking for a low risk item, maybe start with these. Item number 10. Let me know in the comments below if you knew about this next item. That is Taco Bell sauce packets. Yep, you know how you were enjoying that beefy 5-layer from the drive-thru, and when you finish, you still have like 5 sauce packets left over, and so you save them for next time. But when you go and get another burrito, you forget that you have those 5 sauce packets, so you get more sauce packets, and you finish that burrito, and then you're left with another 5 sauce packets, and so these sauce packets start piling up and piling up and piling up until they start coming out of your ears. Well, you can sell those extra sauce packets on eBay. And maybe that's true for any restaurant sauce, but I chose Taco Bell for this video because it's one of my favorite restaurants. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite fast food restaurant is, and if you haven't yet, check out my rewards program playlist where I talk about ways you can earn points to redeem for gift cards to your favorite restaurants. There you have it, 10 items of trash you can turn into cash. Now here's the disclaimer. Although these items can make you some cash, it is just some. You're not going to get rich by selling your toilet paper rolls. At least I don't think you will. You could surprise me, but it's a great place to start though, as you're starting with eBay and you don't have any capital to go to thrift stores to buy things to sell for a high profit. Start with these items that you have in your house, learn how the platform works, and then the money that you earn from that, invest it. Take that cash, use it as your capital to go to thrift stores to buy better inventory that will actually make you more money than this trash inside your house will. You can also use that cash to buy the supplies you need for eBay. Check out the description box below for an idea of what kind of materials you need to start selling on eBay. If you like videos like this and you want to learn more ways you can make money with the skills and tools you already have, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I will catch you in my next video. Thanks, guys.